Hello friends, welcome back to the bench. Today we have a PSU, the ATX PSU, nothing new, and this is 575 watts, very nice with two fans, 120 or 115 to 230 switch, and it doesn't turn on, and the standby voltage is there, so hopefully just replace the caps and it'll be good. Let's take a look. Okay, so the board is out. The power supply does not turn on, and this is a little bridge for 120 volts or 115. This guy, and it just makes a connection in before the bridge and after the bridge. And that's for the what do you call it? The divider, the voltage divider, the resistor divider that powers why can I not see the chip? Well, there should be a chip that is being powered by the divider. I don't see it, so maybe this works differently than I thought. Okay, well, first let's put it on the light bulb and see if we have a standby voltage. That would be nice if we did. That would mean that it's most likely just an issue with capacitors. I heard a weird sound when I connected it, so that's weird because I still can't see the control chip. But there's something very unique about this one. It has two fans. One is a standard fan, a lot smaller than what you usually find on ATX PSUs, and the second fan over here, so maybe it's running quietly because of two fans rather than one big fan, I'm not sure. But it also has, I assume this is a thermal element, and it's just in series with a with the fan. So if it's a thermal resistor or something like that, then the resistance drops as the temperature climbs. So when it's cold, it has higher resistance, low resistance when it's hot. So very primitive method of controlling the RPM of the fan, but it does work. Simple and reliable. That's what I like. Okay, let's check standby. 3.3, this should be standby. And what's the ground? The ground is over here. And there's no standby. Okay, and I'll see the control chip. Let's see if we have 5 voltage here. Okay. Oh, 22 volts. Okay, so that's the problem. So there's not going to be standby if the output voltage is so low. Let's check again. I have very poor access here. 20 volts DC. I've never seen anything like that before. Okay. Why so? Oh my goodness. Okay. I see the first problem here. I've never seen anything like that before on PC. Let me show you. What's up with the scope? Okay, I'm going to show you. I think I connected it after I started this. Is this on? This is good? Okay. Oh, sorry about that. But you don't need a microscope to see this. So this is one terminal of the cap. It's completely broken. The other one seems okay. This one has been reworked.
And we're flying so close to where we belong. And we're trying to go somewhere new. And I try to crack this iceberg open till it shatters through the ocean. I wanna make shockwaves. I wanna make shockwaves with you. Gonna move the ocean current till the waves flood what's been burning. I wanna make shockwaves. I wanna make shockwaves with you. And I know I'm only getting higher till it feels like.
And we have 514 standby. All right. So that one cap was the only problem. That is the first. Since we have standby, let's hook up the... Okay, we do have standby, but it won't turn on. Which is good. Which is good.
Through fire. And I know I'm only getting higher till it feels like I can walk through fire. Walk through fire. Walk through fire. Trying to step back and see the view from above. 'Cause I know that nothing lasts forever. And I try to crack this iceberg open till it shatters through the ocean. I wanna make shockwaves.
Alrighty, quick diagnosis, 20 minutes. Now let's fix it and put some load on it. Alrighty, so the caps are replaced. Just a few of them. I turned it on and the standby voltage is still there, but no other voltages. The tester is not turning on. No 12 volts, no 5 volts, no 3.3, nothing. So I kept it on for a while through the light bulb and started measuring it. And after a while, the light bulb slightly lit up, but only when you turn on the device, when you turn on the they connect the tester, the PSU turns on. The light bulb goes on slightly, so it's drawing some current, and this heatsink became very hot, but fuse has not been blown. So is the transistor shorted? Well, this is a kind of an unusual fault, because check this out. When I measure the transistor, it basically shows up as a resistor, 39 ohms, and the same here, 36 ohms, and between the, I think this is base and this is a meter, 2.7 ohms. This is a regular NPN transistor. It's not a MOSFET, it's not IGBT, nothing fancy, just a regular transistor. And it became a resistor, so it's not throwing, it's not blowing the fuse, and it's just heating up. and obviously not generating any voltages. So I thought this would be a very quick repair, but it turns out I need to order, well, I already ordered this transistor, so now I need to, because obviously from China, so now I need to wait a couple weeks before it gets here. So this is going to be waiting for repair now.
I wanna make shockwaves with you. Gonna move the ocean current till the waves flood what's been burning. I wanna make shockwaves. I wanna make shockwaves with you. 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 Shockwaves with you.
Alright, and the repair is complete. All the voltages are stable. I already put some load on it, but let's do that again. About 300 watts. It's not dropping below 12 volts or below 5 volts, so it's all good. So the entire problem was caps, few caps, and that transistor, and the regular transistor. I actually didn't think that just replacing the transistor would fix the issue. I was looking for something that would actually break the transistor, so I checked all the diodes, all the caps, everything, I couldn't find anything, and after the replacement works perfectly. 270 or 280 milliseconds for PG to go up, so that's great, and all the voltages stable. It's good to go. Alrighty, thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you guys in the next one.